What's going on, everyone? Charlie here. Hope you all had a great Thanksgiving yesterday. Man, do not forget, the most important thing you can do for GameStop is buy their products. They have a plethora of products. I literally just bought computer memory for my specific model computer, and it is cheaper than Amazon, and it will arrive faster than Amazon would have. So that is huge. They're in the market to compete. They're on the online space. They got a variety of different products. If you haven't checked out their website already, I would highly recommend going to see what they have available. It's going to blow your mind some of the product they have on inventory. So don't forget, while we're buying and holding, the most important thing you can do for the company is buy the product. If you got the shares, you got the shares. We just hold, move on, and wait for, the day to come. But if you need things, instead of going to your Amazon, going to your Walmart, going to things like that, remember, GameStop likely has the item you're looking for. It's likely cheaper, and it likely will arrive faster than the competitor. So not only is this a great stock to hold, but it's a great company, and a great company that's going to, be driving the future forward. And they have some exciting things in store. So don't forget, at the end of the day, GameStop, the company, has it going on. And I am pleased with my investment. So computer memory, Gay got it. Y'all have a good one.